You're looking at a kitchen that hasn't been touched since the 80s, yellowed cabinets with chipped laminate, countertops stained from 20 years of coffee rings, an electric coil stove that takes 20 minutes to boil water, and peeling linoleum floors that curl at every seam. I got a quote from a contractor, $45,000 to $65,000. I did the same remodel myself for $18,000 to $28,000. That's $27,000 to $37,000 I kept in my pocket. And I wrote a book that shows you exactly how to do it too. I'm Jason Hammond, and this is the DIY Homeowner's Guide to Kitchen Remodeling. Here's what contractors don't want you to know. On a $65,000 kitchen remodel, materials only cost $18,000 to $28,000. The rest is labor markups, general contractor overhead, profit margins, and contingency padding. That means 50 to 70% of what you're paying is not materials. It's the cost of not knowing what to do yourself. And here's the thing, a kitchen remodel is the single highest return on investment project you can do to a home. But only if you're not handing all that equity to a contractor. That's the gap this book closes. Let me walk you through what this remodel actually looks like. The book gives you a complete 70-step remodel plan, every phase in the right order. Demo, permits, electrical and plumbing, rough-in, drywall, flooring, cabinets, countertops, backsplash, appliances, and final touches. And I don't just give you a list, I walk you through the entire process. How to gut the old kitchen safely. How to relocate circuits for under-cabinet lighting and new appliance loads. How to prep the subfloor for tile or luxury vinyl plank, and how to install cabinets yourself so they're level, plumb, and rock solid. I tell you exactly which tasks you can safely do yourself. Demo, painting, flooring, cabinet installation, tile backsplash, and appliance hookup. And I tell you which tasks need a licensed professional, electrical panel work, plumbing rough-in, gas line connections, and permit inspections. And here's the key. I show you how to prep the job site before your electrician or plumber arrives so you cut their billable hours in half. That alone can save you thousands. Inside the book, you get real cost breakdowns for every phase with Bergen County, New Jersey pricing, so nothing is theoretical. You get a 10-point kitchen assessment checklist so you know exactly what you're working with before you swing a single hammer. You get detailed instructions for countertop templating and installation, whether you're going with butcher block, quartz, or granite. You get a full electrical planning guide covering dedicated circuits, GFCI requirements, and under-cabinet lighting layouts. You get plumbing guidance for sink relocation, dishwasher supply lines, and garbage disposal wiring. And you get my personal vendor list and material sourcing strategy so you're buying contractor-grade materials at the best possible price. When you do the math, your DIY labor works out to $128 to $213 per hour in tax-free home equity. That's not a side hustle, that's a wealth-building strategy. This book is not about watching YouTube videos and hoping for the best. It's a professional-grade remodel plan written by someone who actually did the work, made the mistakes, and refined the process so you don't have to. The DIY Homeowner's Guide to Kitchen Remodeling is available now on Amazon in Kindle and paperback. Search Jason S. Hammond on Amazon, or visit amazon.com/author/Jason Hammond. Stop paying contractors to build your equity for you. Pick up the book and start building it yourself.